Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one I'm talking about how to use Otter AI with Google Meet. So guys, if you wish to transcribe your audio, which is going to be in your call, and turn it into text, this service allows you to do this very easily. And also guys, before I begin showing you how to do this, if you wish to get some really cool discounts and reduce prices for the plans of Otter AI, and unlock all the features, make sure to check the video description down below where we have the links for you. Thank you guys. And now let's begin. So pretty much how this is done, it's actually very simple. So I'm just gonna explain to you how this works and then I'll get to the steps. Alright then, so the way this works is you just start a meeting in your Google Meet right here, copy the link and then just paste it right over here in this field. That's pretty much it. There's going to be only one more step that I will show you, it's very important, but under record a live meeting, as you can see, it also suggests you which services it supports, which is Zoom, Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. And this is where you post the link. So now just navigate to Google Meet and schedule a new meeting. So start the instant, or you can create a meeting for later. It's up to you. I will start the instant one. Alright guys, and now let me also enable my microphone in here. Use microphone, allow this time. Okay, microphone is in use. And now guys, you just need to copy this link to your meeting and insert it in this field. Paste. And then press on record. Now go back to your meeting and there's going to be our Otter that will be joining the call shortly. So let's just wait. Okay, it took a bit of time for Otter to enter the call, but as you can see, someone wants to join the chat. So just press on view, and as you can see, the note taker is actually going to be the Otter. So you have to admit the Otter into the call so that it starts capturing. So press on admit. Okay, so note taker, which is Otter once again, has joined the call. And now if we go back into our home page, for example, and go to the meeting notes, as you can see, we have now our call being transcribed in real time. So as you can see, as I talk, hey, 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 as you can see, now it turns everything into the text. And now you're set. And you can do this with either of the services that I've shown you on the homepage, which are these one, and now you can enjoy. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you like these kind of tutorials, make sure to subscribe to us, like the video, it truly helps us a lot to grow the channel, and as always, see you in the next one.